Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis. And today I just wanted to talk about not sabotaging your home purchase, getting through the inspection list as a buyer so the seller's not upset with too many things that you're requesting. So anyway, stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, well, welcome back. Just wanted to talk about some things, for a home inspection. So you've paid somebody to look at the house of your dreams to tell you these things are wrong with it, which is a hard pill to swallow to begin with. But kind of just make a list, maybe get a highlighter, 3 different colors of these are the things that absolutely have to be done for me to buy this house, these things that would be nice, and these things I can do. So the things that you might want absolutely to be done, anything major, honestly, and it's not cosmetic, so anything that they're looking for that's heating, electrical, plumbing, different things like that, the roof that you need to be checked out. So you could do that. The second things, maybe just depends on what you're interested in that could be done. And third, you don't really need to have them change the light bulbs, something like that. So just kind of be careful on what you're asking for. Sometimes the seller gets these long lists of like 20 things because you've taken everything the home inspector said to ask to go on the list. So maybe even if you did that the first go around, with this kind of market, which is more of a seller's market right now, but just kind of be mindful if it's really important. So I just think the best thing is kind of break it down in 3 different groups to see what's really important, which is really a huge item, really so-so, and then really it's not a big deal. Like the smoke detector, it's really not that big a deal. So anyways, just wanted to talk about that so you can kind of get through that process. I know we've negotiated the price at the beginning and then we're doing it again, with the inspection stuff. So just trying to make sure we look at both sides of it and see what we can make it work so everybody wins. So anyways, if you have any questions about that or home inspectors that you're interested in or just different questions, we would love to talk to you about that. So just reach out and call anytime, 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.